Welcome to Targeted Email Database. This is Kingshuk here from Targeted Email Database. In this video I will take you through the email database of lawyers and advocates so that you can clearly understand how exactly the data is, what is the format, how does it look like, etc. And I will also tell you how to use this particular data, how to utilize this particular data to increase your sales and revenue to a multiple times within a very short span of time. But first let me show you the data. Let me copy the file and paste it here. Now this is the exact data file which you will get after you buy and download the data from our website www.targetedemaildatabase.com. This is the exact data file. The data is in Excel format, Microsoft Office 2007 Excel format, but as you can see the file extension is .rar here, so that means it is compressed with WinRAR. So what you need to do is to right click and extract. Please make sure you have a WinRAR installed in your computer. If you do not have it, please download and install. It's a free software. After we extract, you will get the Excel folder containing the Excel file. Now this is the exact Excel file which you will get. Exact Excel file is here, as you can see. Now let me open it for you. Now this is the exact thing which will be there in the file. As you can see, different rows and columns are there. Different rows like name, email ID, name of the lawyer, email ID, then the company name. If the lawyer is working for a particular company, then the company name, or if he is doing a self practice or individual practices, then it will be mentioned self, or it will be blank, whatever it is. So company name, then the profession, which will be mainly advocate, senior advocate, etc., and the address of the lawyer. And I will scroll down through this data slowly so that you can clearly understand. Let me scroll it down slowly. Now this particular data is really good and really helpful if you are trying to promote something related to legal, like legal softwares, or in any sort of events or seminar related to laws and everything. Okay, so this particular data is helpful for that kind of to promote that kind of a product or service. And this data is also helpful for indirect marketing purposes, because lawyers, most of the lawyers, they will have HNI clients or business clients. So if you are trying to promote something through them, in that case this data might also be helpful. In that case, the direct consumer of your product or service might be the client of that particular lawyer. Okay, so you can promote various kinds of products like investment products, or maybe the real estate products, or anything through the lawyers. Okay, and for the direct consumption, you can promote anything related to law. And this data is already being used by few of my clients, and I do get feedback from them. One of my clients from Pune, they promote legal softwares, the software which is used by the lawyers and for the various other legal stuffs. And they use this particular data. The total number of data here is approximately 36,000. As you can see, 36,680. And from my client from Pune, they use this data to promote their legal software. They have converted approximately 180 new clients out of this 3600 records. So as you can see, even if you convert a very small percentage, you will get a good number of conversion. Ultimately, even if you convert 1%, you will get approximately 350 new clients. And to be very honest, 1% conversion or 2% conversion is nothing of a big deal. You can easily do that if you follow the standard practices of email marketing, like regular follow-ups, providing value-added content. You can do much more than that. And I always tell, email marketing is a volume game where you shoot emails in bulk, where you shoot emails in volume and convert a small percentage of it, and ultimately you will get a good conversion, a good volume of conversion. Even if you convert 1%, even if you convert 0.5%, you will approximately get 150 new clients. And that might take some time. That might take 1 month or 2 month time, but ultimately if you are focused on that goal of 1% or 2%, ultimately you can achieve it. my clients are doing that, and you can, if you want, you can also do that. Another client of mine from Delhi, they promote different kinds of seminars, legal seminars regarding law and everything, business laws or everything. They also use this particular data, converted approximately 250 new clients. So you can see, if you are focused on a particular percentage like 1%, you have to convert. If you are focused on that, ultimately you will get a good result, ultimately you will get a good good volume of conversion. And this is how the data is. As you can see, all the records will have the email IDs and their professional details like company name, profession name, etc. I will scroll it down slowly. And another thing is like, if you really use this particular data well, this data can yield a very good results. More than the data, it is important that how you use the data. The use of the data, the usage of the data is more important than the data itself. Okay, the same data can be used in different way, to get different results. Like if you 2% using the same data, same specific data, one person can get 0.5% conversion, another person can get 3% conversion. So it is important to use the data well. It is important to be focused on a particular percentage and ultimately achieve that percentage. So as you can see, this is the exact data file. This particular data mainly consists all the cities in India, mainly the big cities like Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Pune, Chandigarh, main big cities, state capitals and all. So I would suggest you, to use this particular data and be focused on a small percent, and ultimately you will get a good conversion out of that small percentage also. And I wish you happy marketing. I wish you will use this particular data to increase your sales and revenue to a multiple times within a very short span of time. And if you think this particular video is healthy, feel free to comment, share, like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.